Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. Let's see today's question. So today's question we are taking this up from the topic of statistics. And if I talk about the question that is given to us here, the question tells us that the variance of a frequency distribution which is given to us, it's 160. Then we have to find the value of C in this question, where C belongs to n when n is the natural number. And if I talk about the frequency distribution that I have here, it's X and F. So X goes from C till 6C and F goes from 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. So F is given as the frequency which is having the first frequency as 2 and the all other frequencies are 1. So that's the frequency distribution given to us. And the question is asking for us to find the value of C. And if I talk about the answer choices that we have been given here, the options are 5, 8, 6, and 7. So we need to figure out which one of the answer choices is the correct answer for the value of C here. So let's understand how to solve this question further. Before starting off with the solution for this question, I would first like to tell you that please do subscribe to my channel and support the channel as well, because it takes lots of efforts in making these videos for you on everyday basis, and it is free for you but also motivates me to put up better content and try to make the solutions as easy as possible so you understand them in a better way. Let's see how to solve this question further. So I have been given the variance of the frequency distribution, which I know it's 160. And if I have to calculate the variance, it's nothing but the square of standard deviation. So it's basically sigma square, and it is given by sigma is actually given by square root of E of x square minus E of x the whole square. So that's the idea. E of x is basically expected value or the mean value, you can say. And expected value, if I want to calculate using this frequency distribution, I'll just find x square and multiply with that frequencies given respectively and take the sum of them. So it's basically summation of x square into f of x divided by number of terms, that is basically the frequency, that is f. Here also, if I want to do E of x, that is mean value of just the terms of x, I'll find sum of x with f of x and divide that also with the frequency f. So that gives me the idea, and then I can just square it to get my variance and equate it with 160 so that I get the answer for C that is asked to us, which belongs to a natural number. Let's see. So let's solve this question. So if I write my frequency table first, x and f, x was going from C, 2C, 3C, 4C, 5C, and 6C. F is the frequency 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now if I multiply both of them, x into f, I get 2C, 2C, 3C, 4C, 5C, and 6C. So total I get 6 and 5, 11, and 4, 15, and 18, and 20, and 22. So I have 22C. If I do square of x, I get c square, 4c square, 9c square, 16c square, 25c square, and 36c square. So if I multiply that x square also with my frequency, I get 2c square, 4c square, 9c square, 16c square, 25c square, and 36c square. Because here every terms are multiplied with 1, because every frequency is 1. Only the first term is multiplied with 2, so you get 2c square. Every other terms become same. So I get 36 plus 25, so 61, and 16, 77, and 9, 86, 90, 92. So I get 92c square. Now, if I try to find the idea, I know expected value of x square. If I want to find sum of x square into f, which is 92c square, divided by the total of frequency. If I do, it's 7. So 7. Expected value of x, I get this is 22c divided by 7. So I have this. Let's try to solve it now. So I know the standard deviation and I know now the variance formula. So it is nothing but square root of square. So square root and square cancels. You just have to do this. So E of x square minus E of x the whole square. So E of x square we just figured out, which is 92c square over 7 minus E of x the whole square is 22c over 7 the whole square. So you get 92c square over 7 minus this is 22 square, which is 484 c square over 49. So first let's try to make the denominator same. If I do that, I get this as 49. 7 twos is 14 and 1 7 nines is 63, 64. So you get, now if I do this and further solve this, I get 644 c square minus 484 c square. So if I do, I get c square, and 644 minus 484, if I do 4 minus 4 is 0. 64 minus 48 is 160 divided by 49. So I get this, and this is nothing but your variance, which is shown as sigma square, which is square of standard deviation. And I get this variance. I know variance in the question, it's given to me as 160. So if I equate both the variances, 160 is equals to 160 c square over 49. This goes away. C square becomes 49. That gives me C as plus or minus 7. But the question tells me that C belongs to natural numbers. So when C belongs to natural numbers, it cannot be negative 7. So that negative value of C is rejected. And that gives me only positive value of C, and that is plus 7. So I get the answer to the question, and that basically matches with which option? Option D. So D becomes the correct answer for the question that is given to us here. I hope you have understood how to solve this type of questions, which deals with the concepts of standard deviation and variance for a frequency distribution. I'll see you again tomorrow with some other question from some other topic. And we are going to continue our series of questions on JEE mains. And we are going to take the questions from the recent year of April 2024. So stay tuned for more videos. And if you're enjoying these videos that we are doing on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays, please do like the videos and comment on the videos, as well as share this with your friends also who are involved in the preparation of the questions on JEE. So they can also take the benefit from these questions that we are doing on everyday basis. Thank you.